You did not buy a car. You bought a monthly payment that never ends. And the worst part, the cars that are destroying people financially right now are not the ones you would expect. They are the ones sitting in every driveway in America. The ones with good reputations. The ones your coworker just bought. The ones that look reliable on the surface until you actually own one. Today, I am going through 5 cars that are quietly bankrupting their owners in 2026. Real repair numbers, real maintenance costs, and in every case, a better alternative that costs thousands less to own. Car number 1, the BMW 3 Series. This is the one that surprises people the most because the BMW 3 Series has one of the best reputations in the automotive world. Sporty, premium, aspirational. And at $35,000 to $45,000 used, it feels like a smart luxury buy. Here is the number nobody shows you at the dealership. BMW's average 10-year maintenance cost is $15,991. That is according to real ownership data. Compare that to a Toyota Camry, $2,510 over the same 10 years. That is a $13,000 difference on maintenance alone, not the purchase price, maintenance. And here is how it happens. BMW oil changes at the dealership run between $135 and $175. Versus $30 to $50 at a shop for a Toyota. The engine requires full synthetic oil at 6 to 8 quarts per change. The parts are German-sourced. The labor is specialist labor. When the warranty expires, usually at 4 years or 50,000 miles, the bills start landing. Cooling system, plastic components, electronics. The repair invoices look nothing like what you paid for a Toyota. The alternative, a used Lexus IS, which is built on Toyota mechanicals, gives you a near-premium experience at a fraction of the long-term cost. Lexus 10-year average, $7,130. Car number 2, the Nissan Rogue. This one is in millions of American driveways right now. Consistently one of the best-selling SUVs in the country. And for the first 3 years, completely fine. That is the trap. The Nissan Rogue uses a Jatco CVT transmission. These transmissions were failing at 20 to 30,000 miles. Nissan settled a $277 million class action lawsuit specifically over this issue. CVT replacement when it fails, $5,000 to $8,000 out of warranty. And Nissan's CVT warranty is 5 years or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. When the transmission goes, and in many Rogues it does, the repair bill is often worth more than the car. Owners walk away or absorb a hit that takes years to recover. The alternative, a Toyota RAV4, same class, same size, 10-year maintenance costs, $2,970. The RAV4 uses a conventional automatic transmission. It does not have the CVT failure history. Car number 3, the Honda Pilot. Here is where it gets counterintuitive. Honda is one of the most trusted names in the industry, and most Hondas deserve that trust. But the Honda Pilot, specifically the 2016 to 2021 generation, has a specific issue that owners are paying for right now. The 1.5-liter turbocharged engine fitted to multiple Honda models has a documented fuel dilution problem. Unburned gasoline mixes into the engine oil. Your oil level goes above the full mark. It smells like fuel, and if you do not catch it, you are lubricating your engine with something that is part oil and part gasoline. Honda acknowledged this. Extended warranties on over 1 million affected vehicles, settled class action lawsuits. But if you bought used, outside the warranty window, you are paying out of pocket. Beyond the engine issue, the Pilot is a 3-row SUV with a complex transmission and a known transmission judder problem in the 9-speed automatic. Transmission replacement on the Pilot runs $3,000 to $5,000. The alternative, a Toyota Highlander, same class, same seats. The 2018 to 2022 Highlander has none of the Pilot's documented issues and uses Toyota's proven 8-speed automatic. Car number 4, the Land Rover Range Rover. This one seems obvious, but it needs to be said because people keep buying them. Range Rover maintenance over 10 years approaches $20,000. That is not a typo. $20,000 in maintenance on a vehicle you already paid $50,000 to $100,000 for. The electronic air suspension, when it fails, starts at $2,000 per corner. 4 corners. $8,000 just for the suspension. The terrain response system. the electronic locking differentials. Every system that makes the Range Rover impressive is a system that costs money to fix when it breaks, and reliability data confirms it fails regularly. Consumer Reports consistently places Land Rover among the least reliable brands in the market. The alternative, a Toyota Land Cruiser or a Lexus GX460. The GX460 received a perfect 100 out of 100 reliability score from Consumer Reports. It has genuine off-road capability, and it costs a fraction of the Range Rover to maintain over time. Car number 5, any turbocharged engine car bought used without knowing its service history. This is not one car, this is a category, and it is destroying more budgets than any single model. Modern turbocharged engines, the 2.0-liter four-cylinders that are in almost everything now, require full synthetic oil changed on time, every time. Because the turbocharger runs at extremely high temperature, it needs clean oil to survive. When a used car arrives on a lot with a turbo engine and unknown oil change history, the clock is already running. Turbo replacement runs $1,500 to $3,000. If the turbo fails and sends debris into the engine, you are talking about a full engine replacement, $4,000 to $8,000. The cars most affected, any used BMW with a turbocharged four-cylinder, any Volkswagen or Audi with the 2.0 TFSI, any Ford EcoBoost engine with unknown history. The protection. Before buying any turbocharged used car, ask for complete oil change records. If the seller cannot provide them, walk away. The car may be perfectly fine, or it may be 3 oil changes away from a catastrophic failure. You have no way of knowing without the records. Here is what all 5 of these cars have in common. None of them are bad cars. Some of them are genuinely excellent to drive. The problem is not the car, it is the mismatch between what you paid and what it actually costs to own it. The purchase price is one number. The cost of ownership is a completely different calculation, and most buyers only look at the first one. Before you buy any car in 2026, run the 10-year cost. RepairPal has a free tool. CarEdge has